Good morning or good evening, whatever time it is that you're watching this video. What I'm gonna do right now is that I will show you how to clear the cache from the Filmora video editing software. Now, if you have a computer, a laptop, and then you installed Filmora on it, you might not know it, but by the time you render a video, it's actually storing in cache and some data that is not really needed in your computer, and it can eat up space on your hard drive or SSD. It might slow the computer down. Alright, let's do this. So you can see on my screen right now that I only have free 13.9 gigabytes of storage. You know, that's the free storage available for this SSD or hard drive, you can say. Some of data that's eating up the space is gonna be the cache from Filmora. So in order to go to the Filmora folder, just click on the search button, or what shall we call this, magnifying lens. Just click it beside the Windows logo. Just type in there Filmora. Sorry, it's Wondershare. So Wondershare. There you go. Click on the one that says Wondershare Filmora 9. It should be the folder. Okay, so once you're in here, you will see backup, fonts, installed effects, output, projects, proxy, and so on. Now, here's that thing that you need to remember. This render folder, it's just junk data. So it's just recording the times that you recorded or you rendered a project. So you know, by the time you export it and convert it into a video. So these are the things that you'll be seeing here. Now, mind you, these files will eat a lot of space on the hard drive or the SSD. So just to prove you that, if we could go ahead and check the properties here, you can actually see that the total size is 2 gigabytes. So that's a lot of space. That's a lot of data to be added there. So what you actually need to do is delete that, so that you can get an extra space, and then of course you will be able to delete that junk data that's stuck in there. You know, even if you go to the delete, if you go to the delete temporary files, you can go here. You can go here. Those details are not included here. It's just the basic temporary files inside the computer, but not technically those cache and cookies from Filmora. So again, so also backup projects, sometimes they do have those kind of things as well. Cache, you know, junks that it's not really necessary. But for the fonts, the installed effects, of course, it's needed for you to edit a video. So don't delete that folder. So what I would like to advise is, of course, check the details here if you have ongoing projects, and just leave those things. Don't delete them. It might ruin the project that you're doing right now. But in my end, I'll just go ahead and delete it. So remember these folders. Backup. Sometimes proxy has details, but sometimes not. But let's go back. Where was it? Here we go. So proxy does not have anything. Again, the render is the one that's having the bigger chunk of the space of the SSD. So you might really need to delete that. For the temp, I'm not sure what this is. But I also see it here that it's like cache, just like the render cache or whatever. It does show that it's also a junk eating some space, but if it's just small, you can just leave it as it is. But in my end, I'll go ahead and delete it. Let's see here, what other do we have here? User media, just leave it there. What else? Yeah, I guess that's it. So what I'm gonna be deleting right now is backup. Oh no, not the recorded ones. Backup, render, and then the temp. These three are just junk datas, so you can just delete them time after time. You can check it, not really all the time. Let's just wait for it to stack up a bit and then delete it. So see what happens. Alright, so we deleted that. Of course, it's not gonna show immediately. I will actually need to go to the recycle bin. It's gonna be stored there, but let's just go ahead and go to the delete temporary files. Here we go, delete temporary files. Right, of course, let's go here. And let's just minimize this one. Okay, here we go. As you can see, those folders, of course, went to the recycle bin. So it's some total of 2 gigabytes and 2.35 gigabytes. Wow, that's a huge chunk. So let's just delete those ones. Right. So technically, in these areas, these are junk data as well. So again, let's remove these files, and remember, those files from Filmora are already in the recycle bin. So alright, so we're deleting right now, and as you can see, real time, it's updating the space. So we've cleared some junk, and we now have a higher free data available in our SSD or in our hard drive. So that's it for now. So kindly check your Filmora cache renders. By the way, by the time you render again, those folders will be automatically be added back here in this folder. So no need to worry about it. It won't ruin your software. Just those three. Remember those three, okay? So that's kind of forgot. But of course, just click on the render folder and have it deleted, because those information inside that, those are just junk. You don't need those data to be stopped in your laptop or your desktop. It's just eating the space of your computer. That's it for now. Feel free to subscribe. Bye.